Hello there, Leah here from Unique Chrysler 915 Walker's Line in Burlington. I just wanted to go over our little UCONNECT system here really quickly with you guys. This is a 2018 Grand Cherokee SRT, and this is what the home screen looks like here. You have your radio where you'll have Sirius Satellite free for a year. And you'll have your AM and FM. You just hold to set at the top, and it'll put your stations there for you and hold them, so you can save all of your favorites. When you go into media, this is where you'll go in and Bluetooth stream all of your music. So everything will come straight from your device and go from there. Your climate control, which is off at the moment just because I'm sitting inside. So it looks like this here, where your passenger can control their side, you can control your side on this side here, and then you have your heated seats, cooling seats, and heated steering wheel as well, accessible through this button here, which will take you to the control panel. This screen here will also activate your backup camera, so you can actually take a look at the back without putting your car in reverse. This one here is your control panel again. Then you have your navigation, which is done by Garmin. Very user-friendly, very, very easy to use. You can check out your map there. You go back, you can go to your points of interest just by going to where to. Points of interest is always the favorite. So if you're about to run out of gas, here is a quick way to find a gas station. And then you just hit the button and it takes you there. Your phone, which once it's paired up, you'll look like this. So you'll have all your favorites, your recents, your contacts, your keypad, messaging, everything all there right at your fingertips. You also have the do not disturb function at the top, which will actually allow you to send all of phone calls right to voicemail. If you have any other further questions about the rest of this screen here, feel free to give me a call, 915 Walker's Line, and my name is Leah. Talk to you soon.